In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paint.net to convert normal maps between blue and orange. We'll start by converting a blue normal map to orange. For these normal maps, the blue layer is completely blue except for the outlines, or edges. The green layer is the vertical edges, and the red layer is the horizontal edges. We only need the green and red parts. For the green part, you need to invert this texture, this layer I mean. Then go to Levels, uncheck green, set the output to 0 on the top. And for this layer, which will be used as the horizontal edges, we're going to go back to Levels, reset, uncheck red, set the same box to 0. Now we're going to make them white instead of red and green. To do this, we need to duplicate the layer, go to Properties, set the blend mode to additive, OK. Go to Hue Saturation, set the hue to 180, OK, and merge. Do the same thing to the vertical layer. Now with the vertical layer, you want to go back to Levels, make it all red, and make it no blue. For the horizontal layer, you'll need an extension called Alpha Mask. So copy this layer, go back to the orange layer, select Alpha Mask, and click OK. There you go. You got your orange normal map. Now I'm going to teach you how to convert an orange normal map to blue. Just to let you know, I'm not perfect at this as much as I am with the blue to orange. So what you want to do is fill the entire image with white on one layer, copy it, delete the layer, go to Alpha Mask, which again we'll need, OK. And here we're going to add a new layer, make it all black, go to Hue Saturation, set the lightness to 100, then merge. Now the orange layer, that's now opaque, we go to Levels and make it all green like we did before. And then we convert it to white the same way we did before, with the hue and additive blending. Make a new layer, make it completely blue, and put it at the bottom. Invert the vertical layer, then go to Levels and make it green. With the horizontal layer, go to Levels and make it red. Now use additive blending to combine the two layers, and combine that resulting layer with the blue layer. It's the best I can do, but there's your blue normal map. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, okay?